Publix right off the jet ski. Get my card. Like a shawarma rotisserie.
I'm gonna write it to you.
Okay, write it to me. See if they let me pay for these things. Got squeezed in here. Oh, cheap. Publix, let's go. Groceries out the Publix. No life jacket, no service. Publix here just lets you walk in with a vest on.
Hey, really quick, you got him by the wall here? Okay, on the ski, right?
What's up?
I said you got him on the wall here. No, but
Oh yeah.
we dug. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna go this morning. We were gonna go out this morning, but we're going tomorrow.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I like that you could just park up, get groceries.
That's what he was just saying. Yeah. Cool deal, man.
You literally can. Yeah, you guys have a good night.
Hey, you too. Enjoy, man.
Yeah, it's a good time. Florida man. I want to see you guys understand that Miami has no laws.